Alrighty. What's up, y'all? Small Cap Warrior. Welcome to the Small Cap Warrior channel. And Charles, this is going to be a guide to everything small cap, to everything shareholder, everything regarding shareholder rights, everything regarding shareholder value, fundamental analysis. You're going to get that from here. We're not talking about no silly stuff over here. No silly stuff. We're talking about activist investing today. I want to go through Elliott Management's recent campaign against Southwest Airlines. Elliott Management is targeting Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines. So for a second, let's go over Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines, ticker LUV. Over the next few minutes, I'll tap into a few of their fundamentals. The company has a market cap of $16 billion and an enterprise value of $13 billion. So somewhere in there, there's about $2.5 billion in cash equivalents, meaning that they have a nice significant cash position, which is good. It's most likely why a company like Elliott Management is probably targeting an underperforming, what they can see as an underperforming company like Southwest Airline. Southwest Airline operates a passenger airline company. They schedule air transportation services in the United States and in near international markets. There's about 817 Boeing 737. They serve about 102 different destinations across 42 states. And I believe they are, don't give me the line, but I think they are maybe in 10 international countries and in 10 countries across seas. So the company offers entertainment, Wi-Fi services, and a loyalty program, all in flight. Okay. The industry is the airline industry. It's characterized by high competition and sensitivity to fuel prices. So this is your Delta, your American airline, and Southwest is the value play here. And that's why a person like Elliott Management, a person like Paul Singer and Elliott Management would want to target a company like this. Yeah. I think it's important that we watch when these companies make moves like this. It's important because activist investing is a powerful tool. It's a tool that investors can use to influence the company's direction and improve its performance. Elliott Management is a leading firm in this space. They're known for their activist investing campaigns. One of the things I want to do in this video is break down, while the spotlight is on this particular campaign, I want to break down the strategy and kind of try to get a view of what this means for us as investors. A large portion of that is, not a large portion, but a significant portion is focusing on Elliott Management, which was founded in 1977. It operates as one of the oldest firms that, in continuous management that does what it does. It operates at a high level. There's 65 billion assets over there, 130 activist campaigns in the last decade. It would take substantial work, but I'm sure we could find out that their win ratio is pretty high. Paul Singer is known as a vulture. When he walks into boardrooms, the CEOs and management usually listen. He's very shrewd. In July, Elliott sent a detailed letter to the board of directors over at Southwest Airline. Okay? This letter is a gold mine for how we can for understanding how activist investors operate. Elliott specifically criticized Southwest leadership for its poor performance and called for significant changes, including transition in leadership and board reconstitution. This is an outsider. This isn't someone who worked for Southwest Airlines, the engineer, or in some capacity, and no. Okay. He has put out a very detailed letter, and one of the critical issues, underperformance. Southwest has been lagging in revenue performance with multiple guidance reductions over the past 18 months alone. And you think about what they just went through and came out of with COVID, and look at how everyone else has been able to navigate. There's a poison pill. That's two. There's a poison pill they adopted once they saw Elliott coming. That's very anti-shareholder. The poison pill allows for dilution. It killed ownership of the stock. Okay. 3, he's calling for new leadership, pointing out that the current CEO and board have lost shareholder confidence. Have lost shareholders' confidence. These are important. Why I'm highlighting this because when we think about shareholder activism, when we think about activism, when we think about these corporations and what we expect from them, he's coming from so many different avenues and he's coming from so many different layers. His letter was backed by significant shareholder feedback. Many investors expressed a lack of confidence in Southwest's current leadership. That you can see that across plenty of companies. You just got to put your ear out there instead of YOLOing and getting on Reddit and playing and dicking around. Actually have a constructive conversation about some of these companies, and you'll start to realize they're robbing us, that they're not treating us fairly, that they're not driving the change that they're supposed to. They're not keeping with the mandate that they're supposed to. And Elliott didn't just criticize, okay? There isn't just a criticism that came out of this. He offers solutions, board changes, introducing independent directors. Independent directors with airline experience will bring some level of accountability, leadership upgrade, immediate CEO transition, and an external search for a new leader. That's how bad this relationship has gotten, okay? And a review of the company's operational performance, because where exactly have you gone wrong and how have you gone wrong for so long? Okay, these proposals will address the root causes of whatever Southwest underperformance is stemming from, and it should put the company back on the path of recovery. So that was a lot. There's a battle going on. There's several battles going on. There's always battles going on. And these people change the trajectory of these companies without us even knowing. What does that mean for us? And activist campaigns like Elliott help us recognize the power of shareholder activism. It highlights the importance of corporate governance and value investing. And as shareholders, we have the right to influence company policies, management to protect and enhance our investments. It's simple as that. This is textbook Elliott Management. This is a textbook example of how activist investors will force and drive significant change among corporate America, and how as stakeholders it will affect us. If he does something to cause the company to raise its prices in some way, somehow that affects shareholders, that affects travelers. All this stuff matters. And that was quick. That's it. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on small cap value investing, corporate governance, shareholder activism. And if there's anyone out there, share your thoughts in the comments. I'd like to hear different perspectives and on this topic. So stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and strategies to enhance shareholder value. Until the next time, peace.